You began as just one tiny cell, a zygote, formed when a sperm cell from your father fused with an egg cell from your mother. This single cell contained all the genetic information needed to create a new human being. And look at you now. From that one cell, you have grown into a complex organism with trillions of cells, each performing specialized functions. When you were conceived, you began life as a zygote, one tiny cell barely visible to the naked eye. This zygote started dividing rapidly, creating more and more cells. Fast forward several months and you're a fully formed baby. But how does this transformation happen? How does one cell turn into a complex organism with over 200 different types of cells? So how does that one cell turn into over 200 different types of cells? The process begins with the zygote copying its DNA and dividing in two. These two cells then divide again and again, creating a cluster of identical cells. First, the zygote copies its DNA and divides in two. This process is called mitosis, and it continues until there are enough cells to start forming the different parts of the body. These cells keep dividing, creating more identical cells, but here's the magic part. About a week after conception, these new cells start specializing. This specialization is guided by the genetic instructions in the DNA and signals from the surrounding environment. But here's the magic part. About a week after conception, these new cells start specializing. Some cells become the embryo, while others form the placenta, which will nourish and protect the developing baby. Some cells become the embryo, while others form the placenta. The placenta is crucial as it provides oxygen and nutrients to the growing baby and removes waste product. By week 3, the embryo cells organize into 3 layers. These layers are the foundation for all the organs and tissues in the body. Think of it like building a house. The outer layer becomes the walls, your skin, nerves, and brain. This layer is called the ectoderm. The middle layer is like the framework, your blood, bones and muscles. This is the mesoderm, which forms the structural components of your body. And the inner layer forms the plumbing, your lungs, bladder and digestive system. This layer, known as the endoderm, develops into the internal organs that keep you alive and functioning. Throughout pregnancy, cells migrate, group together, and even curl into tubes to form complex structures like your circulatory system. This intricate dance of cells ensures that each part of your body is formed correctly and functions as it should. By the time you're born, hundreds of billions of cells have specialized perfectly to create you.